Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the EDATE function in Excel. This function is a handy tool for calculating a date that is a specified number of months before or after a given start date, which is particularly useful for financial analysis, loan schedules, or planning timelines. Let's dive in. The syntax of the EDATE function is displayed on the screen. Here's what each part means. Start date, the initial date from which the calculation begins. This can be entered directly as a date in quotes, for example, January 1st, 2024, or as a reference to a cell containing a date. Months, the number of months you want to add, positive number, or subtract, negative number, from the start date. Now, let's look at our example. Suppose you want to calculate the date that is 6 months after January 1st, 2024. In cell A1, enter the start date, January 1st, 2024. In cell B1, we'll enter our EDATE formula. Start by typing equals EDATE open parentheses. Next, we need to specify the start date. Since we already have the start date in cell A1, we simply type A1 followed by a comma. Finally, we need to specify the number of months we want to add. For this example, we'll add 6 months. So, we type 6 and close the parentheses. Press Enter, and Excel will return the date 6 months after January 1st, 2024, which is July 1st, 2024. The complete formula in cell B1 is displayed on the screen. And there you have it. We've successfully used the EDATE function to calculate the date 6 months after our start date. Let's consider a more complex scenario where you might need to subtract months. Suppose you want to find the date that is 3 months before April 15th, 2024. Enter the date, April 15th, 2024, in cell C1. In cell D1, enter the formula displayed on the screen and press Enter. Excel will return the date 3 months before April 15th, 2024, which is January 15th, 2024. The EDATE function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios, such as calculating loan due dates, scheduling project timelines, or planning monthly budgets. Here are a few practical applications of the EDATE function. Loan repayment schedules calculate the exact date a payment is due, a certain number of months from the loan start date. Project planning determine milestones or deadlines based on a set number of months from a start date. Financial analysis use EDATE to track when payments or installments are due over a period. That's it for today's tutorial on the EDATE function in Excel. We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.